Alright, today we are going to do an unboxing video of the Neewer LED video light. It's the RGB light, so it has multiple colors. Alright, we're gonna open the box. Alright, it's a tape right here, so you gotta have the scissors to open this.
Dangerous scissors.
Dangerous scissors. And,
only for adults.
Yes.
Adults.
Open the box. And it actually comes with a case like this. Very nice.
Neewer.
Yes,
Neewer.
Alright, and open this zipper right here.
Zipper.
Mm-hmm.
Cool zipper.
Cool zippers.
Cool
Okay.
zippers.
And we have a little pack that make sure it doesn't get humidified inside. These are the little instructions.
Oh my god.
This is the part list. Actually, I have exactly the same light I'm using right now on my video. So this is with the light. This is without the light. Okay? This is with the light on my camera. So okay. Anyway, so this is the main body with the LED.
Yeah, looks kind of adulty. Yeah.
Yes. Alright.
Oh, what is that?
This is the light that we're actually using right now.
Oh.
Okay, it has a little cover right here. You can pull it off.
Oh. Weird.
Okay, this is kind of like a soft lens. You can actually pull it out. Then you can pull it out this way. Right, this is stopper. You can pull it out this way. Just slice it up.
Slice it up.
Like that.
Ooh.
Okay.
It's a pretty cool colors.
Yeah.
Looks cool.
And then you can just put it back in like that. Soften the light. Okay. Put this aside right here, and then here we have a dual USB charger. This is the charger that comes with the LED light.
Oh.
It has a USB port as well as a mini USB right here. This is the charger itself.
Oh.
Pretty good looking, right? Let's pull it off. Alright.
It looks pretty cool.
Yeah, so I think you can just put the mini on this port right here. And then you can plug into a wall charger with USB. That's side, yep. Okay, so this is the actual battery. Okay?
Oh, the actual battery.
Yep.
Looks. Oh my god. It smells like candy.
Yep, it's recommended that you charge this battery first. So pretty much it's pretty easy. You see these little holes right here on the side. It matches right here. You just push it down right here and just match it.
Oh.
Take it off.
To do.
Just push it in.
That
And then you can charge the battery like that.
Oh.
Okay, now you also have the mount element right here. So this is pretty nice. Yeah, you can see that there's a mount for the cameras. You can mount it on top of the camera right here, or you can mount it on top of the stand. With, let's say for example, I have this stand right here. Alright, this is pretty standard stuff.
Yeah.
And there's a little thread right here. You can slide it in if you want this.
Oh.
So this is pretty helpful, right?
Yeah, does it like keep it higher?
Yeah, and it can move as well.
Oh.
And you can adjust how stiff it is.
Like
right here.
this camera we're doing right now?
This camera has
It's going down.
exactly the setup that we have here.
Yeah, it's going down. I don't know.
Alright, so this, yeah, that's the case. Alright, so this is the unboxing part of the video. Let's see how this light performs.
Yeah.
So pretty much you can use the battery by itself, or you can buy an extra adapter that plugs into here to continuous power. Or you can use the battery that comes with it. Just put it on here, right? Again, the side with the hole right here, and just slide it onto it.
Oh.
like this.
Pretty smart.
Yep. On the bottom of this LED light, there's a little hole, there's thread right here. You can push this guy in here and just screw in. And voila, there you have it. And then we can attach this to a camera, or you can just attach this to a stand. Yep. So right now I have this pretty standard stand right here. I'm gonna attach this onto here. Alright.
What's it gonna be like? Oh.
It's gonna be like this. And
it
then
should glow like the light on right now.
Yep. Because this battery comes pretty drained, so we are going to actually use the extra AC adapter that I bought. Is not included in this package to use the light. Because right now you can see my other light is the same thing on the left side. I'm going to shine it on the right side. Because the battery comes uncharged, I'm going to actually charge it right now. And I'm actually going to use the adapter for power for this light. So I'm going to charge it. So it's pretty much I explained before. The mini part goes into here, put the battery in, and just plug it into the power source for USB. So I plug it into the power, and then it should show the little battery. It should be flashing. That means it's charging. At this point, I'm going to plug my AC adapter into the light. I have the light set right here. Alright, I'm gonna put in the AC adapter. This says it should take 12 volt. So I'm gonna make sure when you get the adapter like this, the third-party adapter, make sure you turn it to the correct voltage. So for this one, I have a I think it's a 5 volt to 15 volt. I think the instructions say 12 volt, so I can use that right now. When you buy these third-party adapters for these video lights, make sure you buy the one that has multiple tips for the to accommodate the light port, because the original port doesn't fit here. Okay, so I had to pick like maybe this one. So this one fits, so I'm gonna plug this one into here. See, so this will be a custom fit to your light. Okay, and make sure you have to turn the voltage into the correct voltage. And here I will turn this knob right here to 12 volt. Okay, that's it. Let's plug it in. And to power on, you just press this little button right here on the side. Okay, press that and hold. Just power on the light. Alright. Now I can have both sides with the lights. So let's say I'm doing a product review of this MacBook Pro, right? And then I don't have much light except the light in the room. As you can see, the shadow from the camera right here. And then it's not that bright, right? So I have, my setup has two lights, one light right here and one on the right. So this should give you enough light for this product review video. So let's just turn on one light and see how it looks like. Boom. This is the light we just reviewed to open box. Alright. And how about with two lights? Bam! Now isn't that beautiful? Let's do an unboxing video right now.